it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Tuesday so far. We have a stunning looking vehicle here in front of us today. Today we're going to take a look at this 2022 Honda Civic Sport in a Sonic Gray Pearl Metallic exterior. Now I would also like to mention that this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you're going to take notice is that it is a very sleek and subtle design with these gorgeous LED headlights, as well as the running LED fog lights with that beautiful black trim piece running along the bottom. That does cover the black row insert as well. And finally here for the front end, that patented chrome Honda logo. As we make our way to the side, let's go ahead and take a look at these wheels and tires. Now it is going to come with beautiful 18-inch black aluminum wheels with the 235/40 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now while we're over here on your door handles, you are going to have the proximity sensor, so as long as that key's in your pocket, it'll lock and unlock. Let's go ahead and take a peek here at this interior as well. As you can see, it is going to come with a premium black cloth on dark gray leather interior with some of this gray accent running through the middle, as well as the gray stitching running down the sides. If we turn around to the dash, you are going to have a dark gray finish up top with a glossy black trim running through the middle, and that dark gray trim, or I apologize, dark gray finish staying consistent here on your glove box as well. Now, from first initial glance, as you guys can see, it is a very different design here on the interior. And whenever we get to the interior, we'll go ahead and show you guys every single feature that this vehicle has to offer. But while we're over here, let's go ahead and drop this glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Honda Sport, you are going to have tire depths at 11 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front are going to be 15 and 32 seconds, your rear brakes being 14 and 32 seconds. Taking a look here in the back seat now, as you guys can see, that premium leather on cloth interior is going to stay consistent. However, you are not going to have the dark gray accents back here. If we take a look here at the floor mats, you are going to have the all-weather line floor mat, so don't ever worry about getting your carpet dirty. Making our way to the rear, this vehicle is going to come equipped with a backup camera, so don't worry about backing up into anything. And while we're back here, we're going to go ahead and lift this up, showing you guys how much trunk space is actually back here. As you guys can see, there is plenty of room to haul groceries or luggage on long trips or anything you guys can possibly think of. Not to mention that all-weather line mat is going to stay consistent back here as well, so don't worry about getting your carpet dirty back here. Making our way to some of the interior features of this vehicle now, it is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Your trunk release is also going to be located here on your door panel. And you are going to have manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in now, we're going to go ahead and start it up for you guys in just a moment. But before we do that, let's take a quick look here at your key fob. As you can see, you are going to have your typical lock and unlock. However, you are going to have the remote start as well as your trunk release, accompanied by your SOS sound system. Now, having a remote start obviously intends that you are going to have a push button start. So like I said, let's go ahead and start it up for you guys. And you get a beautiful little start up there on your driver display as well as your middle display from Honda there. Gonna go ahead and take this back to the radio. I apologize, and turn that down. But I want you guys to take notice of the mileage. This is going to come with extremely low miles, just over 10,000. Now, like I said, there are plenty of options here on the interior, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys every single one of those. First and foremost, before we get into the technical buttons, you are going to have some cool looking air vents here. And what this is a grill design here on the interior that runs through that middle piece. And you'll see these little knobs sticking out, and that is how you control the direction of which you want the air to blow, as you can go up, down, left, and right on all of them. And there are 4 here in the front. So there's 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one is over there on that far right side. Now, moving back to some of the technical buttons, you are going to have your option to change the brightness to your driver display, as well as your traction control and your adaptive cruise control button. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be your headlight adjustments, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. Not to mention, you are going to have that automatic headlight setting. The right side is going to be all of your windshield wiper adjustments. On the left side, you're going to have your middle display, as well as your touch to talk options. And on the right side, there is more cruise control, as well as your adaptive cruise control options. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have a large touchscreen LCD display that does come equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera as well. Not to mention, this is a very different backup camera, so you are going to have some different options for camera angles, as well as different projection modes. So that one is showing you a straight down shot so you don't run into a curb. Whereas that one is deeper and shows you a little bit more of what's actually behind you. And then finally here, this front one is going to be more of a fisheye view. Now, if you don't want to use that touchscreen display, you are going to have some manual options located right down there below. As I mentioned previously, you do have some other options there on your steering wheel. Coming down even further, you're going to have the climate control right there at the touch of your fingertips. Down here, you are going to have a 12-volt plug-in, a USB port, accompanied by a storage compartment underneath. Now, you are going to have your beautiful shifter knob, your different drive modes. This is going to be your automatic on and off. Whenever you come to a stop sign or a red light, your vehicle is automatically going to shut off in order to save you gas, as well as being more economy based. So you can press that button and it will shut itself off. Then it will keep your engine running at all times. You are going to have your parking brake as well as your brake hold. What your brake hold is whenever you come to a full stop at a stop sign or a red light, most vehicles will typically keep rolling forward without your foot on the brake. And what this does is it allows you to take your foot off of the brake. And once you have came to a full stop, the vehicle will not start rolling forward until you press that gas again. You're going to have 2 cup holders there. And if we take a quick look in your center console, you are going to have a 2-part center console with only 1 lever. What that means is you are going to have a smaller storage compartment up top that is removable, that opens up into a much deeper storage compartment. Taking a look underneath the hood, you are going to find a 2.0 liter engine with 158 horsepower. And you also notice that our engine bay is coming extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Now, I personally picked this vehicle up myself, and I have not seen any imperfections on this vehicle at all. However, you will have just a couple, and I mean a couple, like 1 or 2 of these stone chips here in the front, one there, and another small one there. However, they did an extremely good job of taking care of this vehicle. All these rims are in extremely good condition, no curb rash on any of them. The body is also in immaculate condition. It is that pearl coat paint, which is going to stay vibrant and better looking for longer. Even coming around here to the rear, you're not going to have any typical trunk scratches. This vehicle was garage kept and maintained extremely well. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2022. Like I said, that's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2022 Honda Civic Sport. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe and make sure to push notifications on as well. Have a wonderful Tuesday, guys.